Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. Today's video is actually brought to you by The Ridge Wallet. That's right. Use the code DUCNYC to save 15% off on these beautiful wallets. Look at this. And it's a perfect gift for Father's Day, a lifetime warranty, many different designs, and this one is solid as hell. This is the Damascus steel. Anyway, let's get into the vlog. Hi there ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, and I wanted to share a really quick unboxing of this Ridge Black Damascus wallet. So the box itself is super sturdy. We got a little card in here. Everything is super high quality as you come to expect. Look at this. And then we got a little microfiber, a cute little sticker, very nice. We got a money clip, a replacement clip with a replacement elastic, super nice. And the packaging is just solid, you know, you can't go wrong with this. I can't even pull it out. So we got some extra screws in order to repair, replace in the future. And even a cute little tool. And here's the party piece. The Ridge wallet itself. Cute. Remove this little card that it comes with and add some of my own. This wallet just feels super solid. The material is really nice. It actually comes with a lifetime warranty. And they have so many different designs. And I know there's a Father's Day coming up, so this would be a perfect gift. So let's put some cards and some monies into this and take a look at how it looks. All right, so here we go. Here is a wallet. I put a couple of dollars in here. You have to fold them three-way. And then here's the card. It holds up to 12 cards, but in this case I have about 9 in here. Makes me realize I probably don't need to carry that many, but look how neat and how compact and how cute it looks. It's perfect. Oh, what's this? Ooh, don't worry about that. That's perfect. That's perfect. I do like it. It's gonna streamline my everyday carry situation, and this right here is just miles better than my current wallet, which was this sloppy little paper clip / rubber band situation. Much better, much better. I love it. All right, so now that you saw the quick little unboxing, we can continue on. As always, thank you so much for watching as I'm cruising out. It's actually a gorgeous day. And one more piece of business. Just want to give a huge thank you to Clea Quinquist. It's the she or he, I'm presuming it's a, ooh, look at this. These cars are booted up. I presume she is or he is the latest and greatest Patreon subscribers, members, or however you call that. And I really very much thank each one of you. Yeah, let's get to cruising. I was gonna do a gas tank question about like what do I carry on everyday rides, since the video is brought to you by the Ridge wallet, so I figured that would be a perfect topic, and maybe we will get to it. But more importantly, I really wanted to swing by the site of the new Revzilla store here in Brooklyn. I mentioned it this morning, actually, or in the previous vlog that I recorded this morning, that it's located in my old stomping grounds. Oh boy, you really? So, speed camera. There's a speed camera over here. I'm guessing we should probably slow down.
So yeah, I wanted to swing by the store, take a look at it, check out the location, you know, and when it actually does open up, it's gonna be twice as sweet. Twice as sweet. So, in the spirit of the Ridge wallet, let's talk about what it is that I carry every day. Obviously, what I carry every day depends on how far I'm going, you know. If I'm just going to, ooh, look at that new building, by the way, that new skyscraper they're building. Man, downtown Brooklyn is becoming epic. Epic. Look at these. Like, I'm almost jealous that other people get to experience my city. I know, it's kind of silly. Anyway, so, here we go. What do I carry? First and foremost, the wallet. You know, that is something that I carry all the time. And actually in my wallet I have probably too many cards, because I frequent a few food establishments that are still using stamped cards to you know, keep track of loyalty points as opposed to electronic. So anyway, a bunch of cash. Ooh, nice car. A bunch of cash and a bunch of credit cards. That's about it. Bro, is this really happening? Second thing, of course, you know, keys. Whether house keys or, you know, motorcycle keys or whatever it is, keys that I have. But those things are obvious. Now, let's get into some less obvious things. One thing, I mean, my bike, I always have a backpack with me. You know, it's like I just don't like carrying anything in my pockets or anywhere else. So, I always have a backpack. And in that backpack, I always have a jump starter. I don't know if my habits will change once I have a new bike versus this old one, but yeah, because my battery oftentimes start dead or whatever, my bike doesn't start. That jump starter saved my life a few times. Also, depending on the distance, I sometimes bring my tire plugs and a tire pump, which is crucial. Always bring fuses, because fuses don't take any room at all. Like, I have a little package like this big with like you know, like half a dozen fuses. It's all you need, you know, it's all you need. Look at these kids. Oh boy. Go ahead, ma'am, you got it. What do we got? Carlton. We need Hill Street. So Hill Street is coming up soon. That's where we'll take a left. What else do we got? What else do I bring with me? Obviously, I bring a bunch of GoPros. You know, not a bunch. One GoPro. I mean, right now it's strapped to my face. And I always have at least 1 or 2 batteries. Depending how far I'm going, sometimes I bring a charger. Then I also always bring Allen keys and zip ties. Zip ties are crucial. You know, is that a cop? No, I don't think it's a cop behind me. But zip ties are freaking crucial for a good time. You know what I mean? Because you might save a day. That guy, he did a little. He did get scared. He was super cool for a second until he almost got hit. So what else is there? I mean, essentially, like all the other equipment, the more and more equipment that I add to this list, one would presume it's the farther and the farther that I go. And where is Hill Street? Is it coming up next? Did we miss it? Oh, it's over there. I don't know if we can pull up to it. It's Hall Street, not Hill Street. Hall Street is right there. No outlet. Damn, son. So how the heck do I go there? Oh boy. Are these cops about to cut me off? They might. That was sketchy as heck. Yo, these cops. These cops are gonna block me. Let's see where they're going. Okay, I literally thought they were about to cut my ass. That was something else. Oh, brother. Life can't change in the middle of a blink when you tripping. Pole 9 up in that beach. There we go. What the fuck are you doing, bro? What the fuck? Kids nowadays going below speed limit, you know, they're scared. It's okay. If you're frightened, you're frightened. So we will pull up in front of this person because he's clearly very scared. We don't want to frighten him anymore, any less or any more. So what else can I tell you about life, you know? We started out really nice and gentle, and things just kind of like fell apart right there when we saw the cop, and when I started making these silly moves. You know, there's no prize for being the biggest jerk. So what else do I bring? I mean, that's essentially it. Depending on the temperature, sometimes, you know, oh no, actually this is very important. I always bring a rain suit because you never know, you know what I mean? You never know when well, we got green light. You never know when the rain will strike with furious anger. And that bus, man, yeah, I might end up, you know what, I might end up taking a left here. I might end up taking a left because those buses are gonna freaking oh, what's going on, brother? There we go. Come on, taxi cab. Do it. There we go. Gorgeous. I could dip onto BQE right there and be done with it, but let's go straight. Let's go straight. That's what the rich wallet would have wanted me to do. So, tell me what you guys bring everyday carry. Oh my god, this is gonna be such a pain in the butt, because these buses do illegal moves all the time. I mean, I respect the children, I respect the safety. I do not respect these buses because they do illegal. They literally sometimes go against traffic, block the whole street diagonally, like, and sometimes they just hold the freaking traffic for like 10 minutes, you know. They don't care. So no respect, but it's gonna be all right. We're gonna go slow, we're gonna chill, we just got to get ahead in front of everybody, and then we're gonna be okay. Look at this, the school is out. Mad children everywhere, just strolling. Let's go. There we go. Go around these buses. Wait for the Jeep. Get around this bus. 1 bus, 3 bus, 4 bus, 5. We're just trying to survive. Look at this. Look at this madness. But it's kind of exciting, you know, to be out of school, to be like, to have the rest of the day for yourself. Ma'am, which way are you going? too fast now because, you know, we're chilling. Don't want any kitties to run out and whatnot. Not even looking. Savagery. Savagery. Come on, bro. There we go. Somebody's stoking some reefs. Yeah. It's all right. It's okay. What street is this? I don't know. Really, bro? The person was taking a right anyway and they were squeezing me to the left. Greedy. Don't want to share, brah. Don't want to share. There we go. Now, here we got a speed camera, so we got to chill out. I would not be going fast here. I should probably, I need to get rid of my damn plate. Because the plate is what makes me slow down. Which is probably a good thing, you know what I mean? Like, probably don't need to go any faster. Yeah, probably going fast enough. Anyway, anywho, look, what is that freaking van doing? Legit waiting like 10 cars back. The weirdo. But whatever. Whatever. Anywho, just want to thank one more time Ridge Wallet for sponsoring this video, for hooking a brother up, you know. Oh no. Uh-oh. Why is it not running? Weird. Oh gosh. All right, and my bike died, so that's fine. All right. I don't know what that was all about. Strange. Strange. But at least it started again, so not the worst thing that can happen, but it is time for a new bike. Anywho, boys, girls, thank you for watching. Always a pleasure to share with you all. And everybody ride safe.